back to my channel. Of course, my name's Amber, and for new, hi. This is my third video, and I'm just fixing. So I started fixing my slimes, and I thought that I'll do it on camera. So let's just get on with the video.
Crap?
So here's my slime. It was usually pink, but it's turning into white pink sparkles. So they're becoming hard, so I'm just adding lotion to them. So I'm just adding lotion in it so it would become non-sticky. And I'm using Ultra Moisturizing Lotion. So, not coming out. Oh, oopsies. That was like freaking way too much. I'm sorry if you hear that background noise. My sister's trying to delete all her pictures.
Angels.
Huh?
And your videos.
And my videos. So she can freaking make a video and post it on YouTube. So I'm gonna try mixing it.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys when I'm done mixing.
This is how she makes a video for slime. She puts it on a cup and just videotapes. It's so weird. She just videotapes her hands.
I don't like people.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
That's my sister's hand. You said
ew, your hands are real cold.
Anyways, I'm back and I'm done mixing it, and my sister's now making a video, so
okay,
kind of awkward, but my sister's gonna be talking really loud because
so I'm gonna leave.
Her voice.
Okay.
her voice has to be really loud for them to hear. So go follow her channel if I haven't already said that in my first video. That I made. I'm not sure if I said her channel in it, but it's Madison Vint, Maddison Vint, and then my little brother has a channel called Doing Stuff with Jacob, and there's 2 Jacobs, so it'll be Jacob. And this is also about like poking slime, and if it doesn't make this sound, then something's definitely wrong with your slime. I mean, because it's supposed to make this sound. Well, not always, but to me, it's always supposed to make. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Always supposed to make this sound, because to me, I just feel like it should. And I'm gonna tell you what I call this when it like flies. So if it goes like that. Like that, I call it flime because it flies and it's slime, so flime. Oh, it's out of focus. Get in focus. There we go. I'll be right back. I have to go to the bathroom. I'm back and I got all my slime. I got all my slime. I'm back because I had to go to the bathroom. But yeah. So this is how I fix my slime. I just add lotion to it. And I might have to go get some more, because I still have 2 other more slimes. Oops. To fix. But I feel like I should like show you how to mix this, like how to fix your slime, and just give you some tips about it. I don't know why, I just feel like it, and I'm mixing it right now. I just feel like talking. So that's why I'm talking to you guys and mixing my slime. And that's why I haven't paused you, because I don't feel like pausing you guys while I'm just like gonna talk to you. So I'm not talking for. So I now have my purple slime and I'm now mixing it. So I'm gonna have to go get. Well, I don't have to mix this one because I mean it's already mixed with lotion. Because I did that before the video. So yeah. But here I'm gonna have to go get more. I am running out of lotion. Ooh. This is also turning white. But it still has purple sparkles in it. If this would focus, it's really cool. I'm gonna go get my lotion. I'll be right back. I am back. And now I'm using body lotion. Any type of lotion will work. It just like doesn't matter what type of lotion you use. So too much. Way too much. I'm gonna see you guys once I'm done mixing. I'm back and it is all mixed. I still have lotion all over my fingers. But yeah, so this is what you want it to be if it's so if it's not stretchy, it breaks apart really easily or it's getting hard, add lotion and it will become soft again. Now I'm gonna go get my other slime and go just do poking moments. So here's my other slime. I hope you guys like this video. Yeah, so if we can get this to 5 or 10 likes, that would be cool. Anyways, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please turn notification on so you will be notified whenever I post a video. Comment down below what you want me to do next, if it's slime or face reveal, because you guys haven't seen my face yet. Well, some of you guys might know what my face looks like, but yeah, comment down below the next video you want to see. Bye, guys.